Yeah, it's your boy Giovanni Brown, and you're watching another epic movie on Richard Brown Films. If you're new, please like and subscribe and share the video. And most importantly, watch the movie to the end.
If you're in need of a brand new house and you're in the Atlanta or Florida area, Donette Campbell is the person you should reach out to.
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further.
Man.
I enjoy the food there though.
I know some not feel good when I know some I eat and as a bridge in the night now.
I'm good, man. No, I'm good, man. I eat before I come out of the house, man. I'm good. Bro, you know, say, funny enough, but you don't normally call me. What time now? I just midday. You don't normally link with them hours here, you know. I can't normally go and tell me about sir. What's up, pressing, brother? That you make me rush out of my house to come meet you midday. On a Monday? Nah, man. What go on?
For
Me know you, you know.
Hear what I say?
Yeah.
You know you're my virgin from a long time.
Today, school days. Long time I come in.
Family, I gotta get married. You laugh.
No, wait. Alright. So, what make you call me down here, Jay?
I want to be a part of the bridal party.
Fun and joke aside, Jay, why you call me down here?
So you don't believe me saw that when I call it again? You want this thing to be a joke, better. Say, but find her. Find the right one. Me I go get married. I want you to be a part of it. I not joke thing, brother. I say me I get married.
You serious right now?
I'm serious.
Dre.
I start playing it already. Gonna be a part of the bridal party. Right?
Yep.
And well on a man from school days, you know, there's a man who always late. So you know say this is very serious.
Alright now.
Right?
You look like you're serious. So I'm gonna start literally take you serious away.
Right. At the 21st of December.
The 21st of December.
Right. 10 a.m. Let's start.
Jesus.
So do me a beg you, brother. Do. I know you're late, man, you know. Do.
No, but what you
Be on
know?
time.
I'm not gonna let it, Dre.
Please.
Based on the fact that you talk to me right now and then you say you're serious, then I really have to go turn up for you, brother. I'm not gonna let you down.
Serious, brother. Serious, man.
No, man, I'm proud of you then, man. Yo, me never know see a man like you could have which part you find this a woman here? Literally put rain pan you and hold you that you are think about marriage. And the only thing about it, you're planning to get married.
Suppose me tell you, say. Suppose me tell you this. Suppose me tell you this and I'm gonna believe it. You see the same girl when me I did go down at the restaurant down at Nigel so on a corner bar.
Yo, wait, that big woman there, you still a link with her?
Step on her toe. Yes, she's here once. I must say me same age, you know.
Yeah? No.
So how you deal it? You don't feel like a time for you to settle out.
Yo,
You know feel like a time now, brother.
watch this now, now.
Mm.
You see, yeah, my brother.
Mm-hmm.
I'm respect your game and all
Yeah,
that.
where you go so now?
You see me? And
Mm.
my type of female, I go be on the lesser side now the age settings because I like them. Brother, like them look a bit young.
So what you are trying to say? My wife old?
No.
Oh.
But your one is more mature and set up in other age the settings there.
Yeah,
You
but
see me?
them the one that we are going not to want them the one that we are gonna need it.
Dre, me like
We
them
don't
when
want an
them young
immature
and
lady
fresh man
in
and
your house.
sexy.
Hmm?
Me like them when them young and fresh and sexy.
So what you are trying to say? My wife not sexy?
No, man, me not say that. Why?
Yo,
I don't
man,
know how
yo,
to explain it, man. But you see, when I'm in the link with them females, them just make me feel young and them make me feel nice and them just go on certain way and them just bring out certain vibe in them. Me just
When I
like.
say young, what age group you are talking about?
No, man, when time I say young, 21 and over, me attack,
Oh,
and then when you reach off at 26, they say you polish it off and drop it back in at the 22, 23, 24. Them settings there.
Brother, take care as me tell you. Them one that can't help it. We are big man, brother. Me not go downgrade them age, but we mature enough.
Church.
We have to look some mature woman.
Yes,
You don't want to pick me at your house. May I tell you that?
You don't pick me them there. Really good man, nice.
Alright. Just to understand, man.
Church.
As time goes by, you will understand. Why pray now? Yeah, had a fun. Yeah, dealing. Long time we play. Yo, don't know you.
Put in the run. Come on. We only have what? 2 minutes? Come on, man. Do the lap faster, no, man. Come on, man. Yeah, man, I like the work.
Long time, yo.
Don't make them pass you, big bro. Don't make them pass you. See them a come there. Don't make them pass you.
Oh, now I'm also for my coach, Bridget. All I want to look like you want some lamp pile in the
Wait.
coach. You see that? Yo, all this
Hey,
yo, watch out, I want to coach. Coach, how me I go on coach? Watch out now.
John was star. Hey, would I use talent like you in this thing, yeah? What you did, big brother? Everything good?
Everything move toward, isn't it?
Okay.
What a big man level. You feel so they want to make it too, brother. To me, no disrespect, but how much more match are there?
We have 2 games to go. We're on 9 points. The person who will lead the group, them have 15. You see me?
Yeah.
And them only have carry through 2 persons. You see, if we win them 2 games, we can finish second. You see me? We can finish second.
hard though.
But we can't. I'm not gonna lie to you, we really need a player like all you probably,
Oh,
when
God,
you had the dinner here days, you
Yeah,
have a goal scorer, you know.
Well, I'm just up and down my youth. Just up and down.
Yeah, you're too old too, because we never go give, we'd have to go back over HP.
First, you know what?
Yes, we're all and things.
So, yo, brother, on a big man level, I feel it when I see you when you come to my wedding over there, brother. When I brother, how you gonna?
No.
Yeah?
You know, somebody just a bit, to be honest. But I talk to her, because I say she look nice, and then she go tell me her age.
Yeah.
And she tell me say she had 30. And she had 30 with 4 youth. Oh, big
What, brother?
Can't no.
30 no old, my father. 30 no old. 30 years.
No, Jay, remember we did
So
that
how much?
about our little thing already, man. Just cool, man. I like that one, Lord.
Why easy, you know, brother.
Watch it, man. Watch that.
Boy, you know what say? You're sharp, boy. So, I know what say you sell it, you.
No. Watch it now. I did find out. I did make a link, and watch it now. Good move, too. I find out preps, brother.
Oh.
I say I find out preps, but I talk about that. Can't talk too loud in front of
Yeah.
you see me?
Yeah.
I find a nice piece of
I'm a big man still,
I find a nice piece of female, brother. Sexy young girl make me feel young girl. Hey, but so anytime you out with she, my boss.
Why age?
Yeah, she at 22,
20.
man.
Oh.
22-year-old, I tell you, say anytime I go out with she.
Ja.
A proper settings. Hey, when I tell you, this girl make me feel good. Nice. That make me feel young.
Then you just Mr. Father, boy. But yeah, you want a man still, so you don't know. You can't say right.
Everything
You
good.
see me, cause what a big man level, as I say them, age, you need somebody more mature still, but you
Yeah.
can't really.
You all on me, all on me,
Alright,
all
alright,
on.
alright.
Yeah.
Just say that more.
How married life I treat you? Look like y'all get all belly tub blows
I
and
mean, well, you
shit.
know, so, brother, let me show you something. Let me show you something. You see them lights, yeah?
Yeah.
Them lights, yeah? Me can't, brother, I'm happy.
You say you can't complain.
Happy, me can't complain.
Well,
So that's why I say, yo, I pass through and I say, yo, what's the money you need to get on the ship now. You see me, I say, get on the ship now, my brother.
but they on my look a ship nice right about now, you know. Nice, as me say.
Yeah.
I find a nice little preps and I ride the waves because she make me feel good. And who knows? She me can't marry too. Anything not possible.
Alright. Don't
No.
know. Love and respect them, brother.
Yo. So you say I check in the session or you go up on the road?
I go up on the road and I you come check, I pass through and I see skate up. I say, hey boy, come on, 5 bike boy.
So them look a young boy that stay man.
Yo, we chat man.
Yeah man, I say a word. Hey,
Outside.
Mr. Pesef, you up your wife
Pick
for
up
me,
a
yeah?
step, me do that. Yeah.
Manners, my G.
Up. Hey boy, come on, 5 bike.
Alright, bring it in, bring it in.
Yes, so this is my home. Don't judge me. Come on, go come, father. Pops?
Hello?
Hey, what?
How you doing, them boys? Oh God, man, what go on?
Me just
At
want
what
to
time?
pick up something.
Okay.
Me
Say
and
good?
Yeah, man, I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
Me and my friend come pick up something.
Who?
Me, Sky. And Pops, my friend from school.
Hi.
Hey, Pops.
How are you?
My name is Pops.
Nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
I'm gonna use the restroom, Pops. Come.
Okay. No, Karen. What you there?
What many people say daughter?
Daughter, that you know, can't do with my daughter this spring. Chop, what am I gonna do now?
I understand, babes. You understand.
The babes, you can't do that.
Calm down, man. That not feel nothing. You don't have to know nothing.
You hold me so rough.
You don't have to know nothing.
No, man. You can't hold me too.
It's like how when private, you can still continue private.
Daddy,
Wait a sec. Wait a sec, one fix. What am I do?
yeah, alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good. I mean,
You
yeah.
sure?
man, alright, man.
Alright. We're not gonna stay too long because remember somebody tell us I just come to make you meet my friend.
Yeah, man. Nice meet you.
Alright, so later.
Alright, shorty.
Alright. Alright, Dad.
Yeah, man. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. So, I don't know why Daddy behave so weird.
I don't know either. I don't know why my behave so weird.
Don't worry about that. I will be alright. Come on.
Wagwan.
Babes.
What? Don't say them something there.
You mean me to call her babes?
Look here, no man. It is uncomfortable as it is already. That babes thing that I cannot afford for you to call me that.
So babes, all them time you tell me say you love me. I mean everything go down here, sir?
Just go on, man. You have to understand.
That means your love never real then. You never loved me. You just tell me say you love me.
Me really do care about
So why you gonna make Seka your daughter make everything done here, sir?
Getting what I'm trying to say, you know. I cannot lose my daughter. And how she a gonna look upon me as a father figure when she knows me I talk to her best friend.
Babes, you mean it can't work?
Stop me. That is exactly what I'm saying. It cannot work.
You hear me, man?
What? You cannot say these things. I cannot be with you. Sky, It nah go work. You and my daughter are best friends, and me love my daughter. I cannot afford to jeopardize my daughter relationship. You mad?
So tell me, say, and you want to end this right now?
Right now. From yesterday. As a matter of fact, from pretend you never know me. You mad?
This can't work, how we not go left. If me can't have you, nobody else can't have you.
Jesus Christ. What is me carry down by myself? Sky, it not going to work. Me cannot do this. You have to understand.
You can't make sake of that, make your daughter make we break up.
And my daughter, you just have to understand, Sky. My daughter, I love her and I love our relationship. Please, just understand. Don't call back my phone. Don't text me. Don't say BS when you see me on one side of the road, go on the other side. I am very sorry. Okay? I last time this me want to see you. Me no want to see you back.
So you tell me say you never love me. You never love me. Because if you love me, this would make everything done, yes, so. You never love me, just do that pretend.
Look, we cannot do this right now. Just understand. It not gonna work, alright? Please. Please. Here? I'm gone, you know. Please, nobody call me, you know.
Remember me tell you, say, if you can't have you, nobody else can't have you. Remember somebody tell you that.
Mad woman, yeah, man.
You know who mad? You gonna know who mad. You gonna mad and know about this.
Brother. Hey there, brother. Well, I need somebody to talk to right now. And plus you have privy to the information, most of the information we may go talk about. So you'd be the ideal person for me can say this to. I need somebody to talk to. I need to get this off of my chest, brother. Me in a dilemma and I need for reason with you upon it. I want to know what to do because everything me are trying to seem for work. Come give me a link, now me dey up a river. Yeah man, upon the ends we always a hang out, man. Yeah man, same place me. They just come now. You know they far. Perfect. Then come now man, please. Forward. No. Thank you. Alright, me I wait you know. Cool.
Yo! Up! Right free. Yeah, I'm doing alright. How are you there? You know what, sir? I want to see him there. Why free now? Why you look so brother?
I don't know what I
Come
don't
on, man.
know how to talk about this, brother. Me in a dilemma, big brother.
So show me what go on, brother.
You remember the female woman that woman that I tell you about that nice young man. They don't know to me. Dre, I never know how to say this. She nice, you know, Dre. She nice. I mean, trust me, she good at everything. Dre, then I go fall out for the girl, you know, Dre. And guess what I go find out? Girl and my daughter are best friend.
You make me feel like say yo, I someone sitting in your kitchen here. Brother, I go so. A while ago, brother.
Serious.
So what you say go on now? Come we can work with. What you say go on, brother? What you say?
And my daughter best friend, Jay. When I say her best friend, meaning say them talk and share everything, Jay.
Oh God.
Couldn't believe it. So I saw the girl and they try play it off like me no know her.
But
Jay.
LG, don't want you.
Jay, but I just say it's her best friend, Jay. I can't do this.
One about them age group in LG.
Boy, I don't know if I say I know to blows and
So you have plan for them?
Jay, I try broke it off, you know. And the girl not take no talk. That is another big problem. Brother, one time I tell you, say the girl not stop call me. The girl is like the girl get obsessed. The girl I say me can't do that. It can't and she nah left me. She nah got do no. She all plan to tell all my daughter.
The one that's serious.
And me I try avoid that situation enough so me I say, oh, if me could have get it close off without my daughter find out, me would have alright because my daughter look up to me. And if something like this go happen, brother, she go disappointed in me.
That go on, you know. Alright, you me I say. Just let me get for know her, see?
I don't know if that's gonna work, you know.
Hold on, man. Just let me get for know her. And then from there, so, We try and talk to her and see what best can be done. Because you can't go work with that.
Boy, I would have loved if
No.
you could have talked to her and get through to her.
Yeah, man, me do that for you. So just, brother, cheer up yourself, man. Make you go have a drink still. I don't know my shop.
I can't cheer up, Jay. You tell her say she call me and she had to say certain things that I don't like, and she all tell me say she go tell all her mother.
Oh, God.
And if her mother go find out, Dre, how other people are go find out, and this are go bring a big things in a brother, it are go scandalize my name.
Hold on, man. Calm down, man. Calm down, man. Not because I'm married now. You know me, I'm pro in this thing. So listen what I go on. We are going to have a drink and we are going to reason how we are going to deal with it. Right? It are going to deal with it. Come on. You are going to drink something now. Come on, man. Come on, brother. We are going to drink something.
I want to lose my daughter.
Work it out. Come on.
My daughter, you know.
Nice lady. You don't know what the man live. And you to drive on silver markets.
You know, so I not come from boy, though.
I come from Boya. I'm not trying to get through to him, but I don't get through to him. I see it. Hold on, phone there. Hold on. But bro, brother, style me and my father. You make man walk, brother. You not line up your bike yet? I come check you. Respect for that, bro. I come check you. Yeah. I have that, man. Yeah. I say, boy, I never know which part you live now. But nah, like still, I know, say, you look nice. Nah, like, what's your name?
Name Sky.
Sky? I'm grown. I joke, man. I'm on J.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. You're beautiful, man, you know. I don't really come from around here, but as I say, I look for the youth and can't find them. I know them way there. Usually when I last them, I would like a nice young lady find me. You know them way there?
Oh.
You know what thing going on.
That's why you're gone.
I look fine like you. You understand what I say? I say, boy, from me forward, I look your side of me. I say, boy, I say me rude though, you know. But you have a nice ass and some nice pair of boobs, you know. Yeah, man, I want to look nice, man, you see it? And I'm not going to see you cheap or anything. We kind of dip on a little rush, you understand? But I really like your number still and thing, you know. You have one link up and thing, you know.
That no
From
bad.
there, so we can take it from there, right?
That no bad.
Yeah, man, that I feel good. So I said, put it inside, you know. Yeah, man. A foreign number, you put in a text along. You look like foreigner, you know.
But you look nice too.
Thank you very much, man. A going boy, man, as a going boy come young, you know. But anyway, they on a little rush, me I search the youth there, so you can look up your WhatsApp down.
Yeah.
Alright, I see you later on, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
She look like she black. I think to her so. What a California voice. Yes. Sky. I'm not getting through to your phone. I don't know why that is. I do know why that is, and I want to just apologize. I'm calling you, I'm texting your phone, and I'm not getting through to you. Just please, just answer your phone now. I want to apologize. I would love to do it, just talk to you and explain things better to you, because if I see you, I can better express and explain myself. I know I'm wrong. I was wrong in how I address the thing, the issue. I feel like I need to apologize to you in person. Please, I beg you, just answer me, please. Sky? Hello?
How may I help you, sir?
Say I did me so.
By the way, how you find me yard?
What do you mean?
How you know where me live?
I have my links, man. I'm here. And the due time for me to wish where you live too. So invite me, you know?
Me come to you. Me tell you this. Me you left and me done. And me have a new man now.
What do you mean you have new man? Where you find new man so fast?
That
Not just last week.
You break my heart. Me feel bad. So I just have to move on with my life.
Alright, so I apologize. I know I mess up. I know I did wrong. But you never did have to do all of that. If you wish by your time find new man, babes. That's cool, man. I want to you.
Ease off.
Yeah, I did me so.
We left. We not have nothing in common anymore because you break my heart and me feel away. So I have to move on with my life.
Babes.
Yeah. You should have think about it before you do what you do. You think I joke me I make? Eh? Me not run no joke. Matter of fact, me show you what go on my phone.
So you show me what go. Jesus Christ. Who this ah? Where you know him from? Where you know this man from?
I'm a new man that.
What you mean by a new man? I'm a best friend.
How comes I your best friend?
I'm a best. I said it wicked my girl. So I said, how you try to get back at me?
Me never know say your best friend.
Jesus, peace with a girl a wicked so man. Yo, so, God, my girl. I saw you say your man this.
Yes.
This a your man?
Yes.
This a man yeah?
Yes.
I just the other day me are the best man of this a man wedding, you know. So me don't know how this a man be your man, you know. And that me make you know is a married man that.
Come on, tell me face with that.
My girl, I want him to you. I want him to you. Eh? I want him to you.
Mommy!
Want me so?
Yo.
How this?
You know what's my best friend father? I mean never know.
No, say what? But you never know.
See, I'm my best friend father.
So what if you never know, say your best friend father?
Me and him have a relationship.
Relation who? You. And this a big old rusty beard man ya. In a one relationship. You not think could that be your pa? Eh? Why you never go look somebody in a your age group? Even if you 1 year and 2 year older than you, look for them a whole man ya. How what happen?
Me I try break off with him, you know. But him and they take set for me.
This a ugly looking man ya when me see with you turn up on me gate.
Yes.
I take set for you. How what you give him?
Mommy, as me say, me and the man in a relationship and the man come like you and take set for me.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have one police friend. You see if he continually the text it upon you like I say you're in wife. Don't worry yourself. Me will deal with it. I go and make a complaint to my friend. Same police friend when me have what me they tell about for a long time. And me will deal with it. Come my daughter, don't worry about it. Are the right thing you do. What me say?
Yeah.
The right thing. 'Cause if you find out says your best friend father and you feel like say you want to break up the relationship and him want to continue with it like no other rest of woman no day. You know what? Come on. Come. Think along about me people. They are more than that.
Brother. I'm kidding call me my youth.
No, I'm not call you.
So how go on, brother? Just know, brother. Brother, you not to me call me. This is unlike you. What go on, bro? Honestly, brother, you worry yourself too much, man. Me not like how you worry yourself, brother.
I worry myself.
Take it easy, man. Tell us, brother, what? Talk to me.
Brother, and me was the best man at your wedding.
Right, so.
I know you from grassroots. Dre, I know everything about you. I know all of your secrets, MJ. Me have you as my
Ren.
Then you know my brother, man.
Dre.
So what go on?
Oh, you for do me that, Dre.
What me do you know? I don't understand what me do, you, brother. This change. That's what go on. You alright, brother?
Dre, what you mean? What you do me, Dre? Me explain a situation to you the other day. Me tell you about
Me I
it.
try to understand what you say.
Dre, I'm talk to you, Dre. I'm show you what go on, and you tell me, say, no, you can't do that. I'm say, you're right as my brother. So I cut it off, Dre, with the girl and put my daughter first because I say, yo, I nah make nobody come and mash up my family. And Dre, my daddy, I'm realize that the girl stop talk to me altogether, just blop. So me get concerned.
So that's the one, man. But you're confusing so sometimes, brother, man. I don't understand you.
But me get concerned cause no text, no call, just automatically so.
Yeah, but no, that's the one.
Something did off, man. So I take up myself and say, me I go give her one link to find out if she alright. Dre, me go link the girl, Dre. And the girl come out in a manner when me see the girl, me say, Jesus Christ. It just bring back memories. I'm just warm at the girl again. I'm step towards the girl and the girl step back from me like she never know me.
But me I say no, that's the one, brother. I don't understand. This is so puzzling. This up till now, I don't understand.
She
what
not
you say
supposed to
now.
get over me so quick. That was my thought and my processing. But then when time me reach out for the girl, she said, I have a new man.
No, man.
Jesus Christ.
Where that new man come from?
Where that new man come from? Dre, the girl show me the picture on the phone, Dre. And when me look on the phone, Dre, a your picture me see on the phone, Dre. You is our new man. Don't shut me up, man.
Live with my wife, brother.
You should have didn't know that.
Don't do that, brother. Don't do me that, man. Don't do me that. Listen. As a friend, you ask me. Remember, you know, come on your foot, you know. Right? You tell me, say, you're stressed out. I forward your foot. We reason. And we go have a drink. And we made some plans, right? And say, all right, boom, that me I go do. By any means, you told me that you would want to get rid of her. And me do what me have to do just because you're my virgin.
By any means, Dre. Any means you go sleep with the girl,
no,
Dre. Man,
That was
I still love the girl.
Look here. That wasn't the plan. That wasn't the plan for me to do that. Has she tell her that?
She showed me the picture, Dre. She showed me say you is her man. She say you
No, but
and
if she
he
say-
then now, Dre. I said, my brother, Dre. My brother.
Alright, make you go somewhere else now for a reason.
No, I'm not going anywhere, Dre. I saw me done. No,
You can't do
Dre.
me that, man. Brother, remember some me I
Dre.
try help you too, you know.
I
Me I try
saw.
help you.
No,
And
Dre, you do more damage
but
than good right now. And so me come up to the decision
that's
that
why
I saw
sometimes,
me
brother.
have to pull roots, Dre. Me have to take a stand. Me have to pull roots.
Brother.
And as me sit down right here, so it's the hardest thing to do, Dre. But I swear to you,
Brother, yeah,
me
mess up
done.
yourself, brother. Me I tell you, brother. Yeah,
Me
mess up
done,
yourself.
Dre. No, me done.
Can't believe I say you switch up on me, brother.
Me switch,
Remember where you
Dre.
come from? Way back in, brother.
Dre.
And
You
you say,
sleep with the woman who
brother, but
love the girl, Dre, and you tell me say you don't even like it, girl. So why you would have really got to something
never
like
like her with you, brother. But I just you, me I try help. Me I try help you.
that? You know, help me, Dre. You help
And you say,
yourself.
whatever it takes to get rid of her.
Jesus
Right?
Christ. Well,
That I tell me, my father.
well,
Do me a bigger man. Make me move for yourself a reason, man. So I know
no,
about that. You
Dre.
can explain better to you.
No, man, it's all good. It's all good, you know. It's all good, man. Yeah, man. It's all good. I promise you. It's all good, man.
So what you try to say?
Dre.
What you try to say, brother? Remember you.
Yo, my brother who I never have. And
Man. That's why sometimes, you know,
I
man.
can't believe you don't really do something like this to me, Dre. And it hurt my heart. As to what you do.
Come in, touch
No,
me,
Dre, we not going nowhere.
brother, remember
We
yourself.
not going nowhere, Dre. I just saw me I leave you,
Remember,
right?
man.
Just so. Hey, yard, me just come for make you know. It can't worry, Dre. Me done. Me
Brother,
done.
just stop stress out yourself.
Dre, me
Massive.
done. Dre, me done.
Sky, where you call me out here so far?
Cause you know say me I hide from your father.
What you mean you hide from my father?
Cause me and him in a little relationship.
What you say?
Me and father in a little relationship.
Me not get you.
I say remember when me did come up in your yard and if I did an exchange, that is the reason why I did an exchange.
But Sky, you're my best friend. Oh,
Me never know say your father. The first time I come up there, that time I see two of them. Me never know say I did your father.
my father, Sky. Really? My father? Alright, you know what? Make it stay. Right now, me can't think straight. Me have to go process this. So, later. Daddy, you get up. I want to talk to you.
Hold on. Where are they? Where are they?
Daddy, when me hear Sky had come to me boat.
Sky, who name Sky?
What you mean who named Sky? Don't act like you don't know who named Sky, Daddy.
Sky tell us.
What you mean what Sky could have tell me say? What happened with you and Sky?
Please, just tell me what she tell you.
Daddy, what happened?
Alright. Look. You see, this, I'd never know it was your friend. And we did have a local relationship, but immediately as I find out.
My age, Daddy? Really? My age? Are you kidding me?
Listen, Tiny. This is not what it seems. Look. You see, the instant I found out that it was your best friend, I cut off everything. I end it immediately. You have to believe me.
Daddy, that is not what she told me. She told me say I stalk her, you won't leave her alone, you even go up her yard, go and fight her off. All of them something there. And me don't like that. Daddy, you know what? I don't want to hear anything. I'm just gonna go back to boarding.
You mean go back?
Don't.
Tiny, you can't leave me. What you talk about? I can't do this. The girl, Jesus Christ. This girl Sky mash up the whole of my life. She mash up my friendship with my best virgin. Now she come mash up my relationship with my daughter. What this girl I want from my father? My phone. Damn girl not answer her phone. I'm going to send a voice note. Hey you dirty girl. Hey Sky. What kind of wicked hey, you know say it's a wicked piece of girl. Eh? Imagine. I come in your yard for curious things and make things sort out and you really come tell me that this about me? Eh? You mash up in a 1 week, you mash up my best friend relationship and you mash up me and my daughter. How you wicked so girl? Hey girl, you know say I kill man for kill you? Hey girl, don't make me see her road you know. Tiny, my daughter. Hello? Tiny? Why nobody not taking my call? Why are you not taking my calls after leaving this? Tiny, my daughter, like, I really don't understand. I know, say I went wrong in hiding this from you. and I went wrong in how I addressed the situation. But Tiny, you have to believe me. There are things being said, Tiny, that are not true. Tiny, you have to believe me, your father. I have been here. I have been here for you, and you have been here with me. You know that I am not that type of person, Tiny. Please, you have to believe me. I am truly sorry with how things happened. I made a mistake, Tiny, and I need you to forgive me. I need you to come home, Tiny. Please. Please, Tiny. The house is empty without you, my daughter. I really, really want you to come home. Jesus. Tiny, please, as soon as you get this message, please respond. Or else I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just have a strange feeling, Tiny. I don't know. Something's just not right. I need you to come home, please. Please.
Mr. Walters! Walters! Mr. Walters, sir! You remember my little baby when me did have for a long time? Long time little so. And she this. Me know she grow out of your sight and you don't know say she. But she's my first daughter.
I mean, the one where you give Rupert to?
Him same one.
I say I get big.
Yeah, she at 21, I got 22 now. A big girl this, but guess what? She in a one problem now. Serious problem. I woulda like if you help me, sir. You know say she got there with one of her friend father. And she find out after. Say the man is her friend father. She never know before. This big old crusty dirty toasty man. Come there with her. He could have been Poopa. And true because she find out say her friend father and she make up her mind to leave the relationship. The man when they spend whole heap of money on her. Now the man, me don't know what happened to him and if he can't get no other woman. The man vexed and take it personal. Say anyhow she not continue the relationship with him. Him prefer go to prison because he have to get rid of her and go kill her. And I'm his first daughter. I mean, I want nothing to do her, so I make a complaint to you, so I don't know what you can do about it, but this serious. Our life is on threat.
So you actually make a report about this already?
Me no make no report. I used to tell me know you. Me I tell you first and me want some tell me if me go down a station or whatever. But me, I do me I tell first and me can tell me what me do. Cause me not really understand about this station thing.
Well, the right thing what you're supposed to do, you know, is you're supposed to go down at the station and make a formal report. Right? You understand? And me kind of half duty as I say me just reach home. You understand? Me have me day a court today.
Hey, you dirty girl. Hey, Sky. How kind of wicked hey, you know say it's a wicked piece of girl. Imagine. I come in your yard to tourist things and make things start out and you really come tell me that at this moment. You mash up in a 1 week, you mash up my best friend relationship and you mash up me and my daughter. Oh, you wicked so girl. Hey girl, you know say I kill man for kill you. Hey girl, don't want me see her road, you know.
Well, based on that still, you know, I can't really do nothing for him, but because I know you a long time, isn't it? You know, if you know nothing still. You know me at that. Yeah, no, we can just make him sleep in there for 2 nights, but I don't know evidence against him, so I have to write up a report and write things in it.
Walters, you know say you look like you take this thing for joke. You know hear the voice note, you know see her life depend threat. Well if me have to go give you a thing as what you say, me have to go give you. Because this man threaten me daughter life and me take it serious. So me not understand what you mean you can't do nothing about it. So why you in your uniform and you off duty? You just come home?
As me say,
Please me I beg you talk to one police down at the station for me. Make them know say me I come down there so they can deal with the matter.
if me talk to nobody down there, you still have to give me something for him to make it work. What you mean?
Me understand.
Remember say, you know, we not get no pay for overtime, you know.
So that's why me as 5 o'clock come me left, you know.
Walters, not deal with me so harsh. Me ain't care nothing for me, but me will care about come give you. Do me the beg you. You can't get rid of him for me. Cause me no want him take me daughter life.
But you know, as me say,
Lock him up in there for 2 weeks. Wait 2 days by the time Quentin come out back and come threaten him or gone with him and then me can't find her again.
depends on how your money stay. Me can make him stay a little bit lengthy at time.
So how much money
you
me
know?
fi care come give you? Because
You see, if me fi make him stay there, me have to squeeze him and them a piece of thing. You see me? All the jailer boy them, me can make them box him up. You see me? That's where you go. I don't know. Me say, so we have done rat everybody down there, you know. Me, you're not me say.
alright, so
So we can, you see, and you, listen to me. You have to be careful. You hear me I tell you, say, it's when you take up man, make sure say you know him background. You're not just because man look cute and feel like say Ray or Ray. You have to know what to do. On a young girl, you have to know what to do. And when your mother talk to you, you have to take tell it, you know. Listen, nobody feel like say, when you breast them big up and on the body a show. When you feel like, just be careful. Yeah? You know see what going on for the news? We can't only help yourself and save yourself and protect the family. You know? We can't, we are not God, you know. Bless up, my general. It's just like them little dirty foot kind of boy. You know, take up them boy there. Take your time. But as I say, me deal with it. Me get the money. You understand? Because me have to make him and them down they get the money too, you know. And you don't know soup licky. Anything me come a road, soup one piece side, so. You know where you go.
Damn, boy! What? Who this?
What do you mean?
Who this? How are you doing, boy? Who this?
You move one more.
What you want? Mr. Officer, I'm call my daughter.
Call his daughter. Hey boy, get up. You're under arrest for the assault of the one Sky and a Stewart. Yeah?
Man, this must be some misunderstanding, Mr. Officer. Which assault? Me don't know, Mr. Officer. I'm call my daughter.
Call his daughter. Hey boy, get up.
I promise you that she can resolve.
What am I saying?
Jesus, hold on, Mr. Officer. Hold on, Mr. Officer. Ah! Jesus Christ! All of this, bro. Alright. Mr. Officer. Oh! Jesus Christ! No! Let me call your daughter. She can't solve me. She can't explain anything. Mr. Officer. I need Mr. Big. I need my girl Lily. I try. Mr. Officer, I don't know her name, Mr. Officer. I don't know Mr. Officer. Mr. Officer, I don't know Mr. Officer. Please, I promise you, I don't know Mr. Officer. I never tell promise, sir. Shut up, Mr. Officer. Please,
Ned Campbell, broker of Sunshine Real Estate Pros, and I'm here today with my business associate, Mr. Louis Witter. Some of you may already know Mr. Witter. He is the host of CRR FM radio in Kissimmee. We cover, as realtors, we cover Orlando, Ocala, Kissimmee. I'm also based in Atlanta, so we are here to help you with your real estate needs pretty much anywhere in Florida.
Yes.
Or Atlanta.
That is correct. And so we invite you to call us. Our number 321-946-9944. That's direct. For the office is 407-201-5400. And we are open 5 days a week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Donna.
Yes, can also reach me directly at 407-449-3371. We look forward to hearing from you.
Yes, from Sunshine Real Estate Pro.
You want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on the shirt. You know what I say? He has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me don't need that, me don't need that. It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know, say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right?
Are you looking for professional photography and video services? Look no further. With over 20 years of experience, we cater for all weddings and events island-wide at an affordable rate. Stop what you're doing. Pick up the phone and call the number on the screen. We are dedicated to serve you.